People always ask me, "Do you think it's weird talking into a camera in front of a bunch of people?" And I tell them, you kind of get used to it, because at first it is weird, but then you kind of get used to it because you know either way people look at you. So.
What's up, Diego?
What's up, Dad?
Hey, I want you to tell me something. Is this bright?
Holy fuck! Yes, you cunt!
I'm glad it works.
School spirit!
Oh my god.
Guys, we gotta keep a 25-mile rating!
Any fucking... Güey, este pendejo, güey, me hizo... Hey, güey, look at the fucking light. And I looked at it.
That's what he did to me. He's like, hey, Diego, is this bright? Oh, pendejo.
I don't want coffee, that's
I'd
fine.
badass if I was horny. So I could suck on your nipples, your big fat areola salami titties.
Let me hear the PSA family make some noise.
Anybody want coffee?
Anybody want coffee? Love you. I'm some sort of retard. Aquí andamos en el 956, puro troqueando, tacocheando acá. Ya sabes, puro tacocheando.
Roll it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling right. 2 a.m. summer night, I don't care. Hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing. Rolling the mid beside and now, living my life, getting our dreams. I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back. People told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'm screaming out, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that.
What the fuck is PT? I don't fucking know right
Tell me what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing.
Can I put you on the vlog?
Yeah, you can put
Yeah! Alright, so this guy right here, he met Jason Nash.
We were texting while we were in Houston and everything.
Oh yeah, you was in Houston.
Yeah, I was there and everything.
Yeah, badass.
Yeah, I'm trying to bring him,
I want to come out in the vlog. I want to come out in the vlog.
Yo, what is going on, everyone? That was super crazy, man. We all had a good time. I met some new people, you know, thanks to all of my friends who were there giving me shout outs like, yeah, go subscribe to David Films. I really appreciate it. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Get your friends and family to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.
Papa Junior!
You want coffee? Como le estamos haciendo?
Anybody want coffee?